Okay guys, this just came in the mail today, all the way from Hong Kong. It is the 1070 15-inch Razer Blade Pro in the Mercury, so it's the white one. So it's actually a limited edition by Razer, so you probably won't see too many other videos about the Mercury, but it's the new one that just came out. This actually took about a week to come from Hong Kong. It was supposed to come in about 2 days actually, but there's a delay with customs. This came all the way from Alaska. I live down south, so it's a pretty far trip. Surprised it made it in just a week. Yeah, I'm really excited to open this, so let's get started. We have the Intel here on the side. There's a battery warning right there. So it comes in this black box, very incognito. Thunderbolt, HDMI, Dolby. This is kind of hard to do with the tripod in my way. So you have the little label right here, designed and engineered by Razer in California. Well, I guess that's pretty good padding right there and right there. So that's not so bad. I guess this is the power supply. So set that off to the side. And here we go. Get this box out of the way. So it has the neon green underneath. So this is the front right here. I'm going to set this right here. Comes with this nice little thank you note. Thank you. It's like a little booklet right here. Basic instructions, setup, maintenance. Comes with a few stickers, so if you want to put Razer stickers on your stuff, I guess you can. And then it looks like it comes with a nice microfiber cloth. So now I'm going to take this. Let's set this aside. Very nice case. You can almost use this case like permanently because it's very very durable. So first look at the Mercury 15. The reason I really picked this one is because it sort of had the similar aesthetics to the MacBook, which I really like. So over here you have, I think this is the power, 2 USBs, headphone jack. And over here you have a Thunderbolt, I think that is, your HDMI, another USB, oh no, this is what is this, USB 2.0, and a Thunderbolt over here. And the thing I like about this is it has this, these legs on the bottom. They're very tall, very thick. Which is good if you put it down on a surface. You don't want something blocking these fans, so I really like that they did that. That was nice of them. They put a cloth there so your screen doesn't get scratched up. So there you have it, the Razer Blade 15 Mercury. 15.6 inch if I'm not mistaken. It's actually not that big. I have a 13.3. And just for comparison's sake, I'm going to bring my 13.3 over here. And this is an Asus ZenBook, which is a 13.3. This is one of the thinnest laptops I think that you can actually get. So as you can see, like, this is really not that much bigger than this. Width-wise, it's about the same. Lengthwise, it's barely wider, like an inch. And this has like a much larger screen than this one too. So that's kind of impressive. Thickness, as you can see, thickness for this. You can see thickness for this. This one's a little bit heavier. It's really not that bad. And the upside to, say, this one over this one's a few generations ago, so it's not like the latest and greatest, but when you consider the size, you're getting a lot more graphics power compared to this. So this, I think, has like an Intel graphics card in it. I think they come now with like a GTX 1050, which is okay for some people, but for me, I really needed like I really need like good specs for what I'm going to be doing, because I'm doing everything under the sun on this laptop. I want good spec'd out as much as I can get, but I also need to be portable. So this laptop, weight comparison, it's actually not that bad. This is a little bit heavier. You can feel it's a little bit heavier, but it's really not that bad. Considering this is a 15-inch laptop, it's pretty impressive. Now if we want to open them and see the comparison of the actual screen size, there's a lot of bezel right here. There's barely any bezel around here, which I really like. Another thing I like is this has a glossy screen on it, which I'm not crazy about. I'm not crazy about this glossy screen. I really like this matte screen. That'll be great like if you're doing work during the daylight, which a lot of people do, and there's sun shining. They don't want this glossy screen so they can see themselves when they're, you know, working. This is really a nice laptop. I think all in total I paid a little bit more for the Mercury color. I think they're actually running a sale right now on the plain black one. It's like, oh, what is it, like $2,000 or $2,200 for this model, if I'm not mistaken. You can go on there and look. If you want to buy this laptop, you could probably get it from Best Buy or Amazon. Maybe even find an open box that's pretty good deal on it, so you're not paying as much as I did. I think I paid about almost $2,700 for this, and this is like, I think, one of the highest models. I think there's only like one model that's up from mine, but it's not that much better. So I'm pretty happy with this. See, it's very thin. See the Razer logo on the back. You see how this opens right here. It has a very good hinge on it. It looks like the hinge spans actually the entire length of the laptop, so there's a piece right here, a hinge right here, and a hinge right here. I actually thought these came with silver keys, but I guess they're white. That's not a problem. I'd like to open the power supply now. Take a look at the power supply. It has this little tab you can pull on. I will say that is a substantially larger power supply unit than my other laptop. It's quite a bit larger than what I'm used to, but that's pretty par for the course for a lot of laptop batteries nowadays. You might get stopped at like TSA with this thing because it's kind of bulky, kind of heavy. Oh, it's actually made out of this, you know how they have those USB cables now with the rope material? It's not like an actual cable. think that's it. Ooh, do you see the keyboard light up? And this does come with a RGB keyboard, so it changes colors as you can see. It's another thing I will say while we're waiting. I know that on Razer's website they do have a financing, and if you do want to have this laptop but you want to pay it over time, that is an option. And then the rest of this is...
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
I hate Cortana.
Use your voice or the keyboard, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
Good God. All in all, typing on this keyboard, I was doing some setting up earlier. Feels very good. Feels great. It feels better than my last keyboard, honestly. Looks great. This wallpaper is awesome. The color really pops. You can't really tell this is like 1080. It looks really clear. Like it looks like the same as my 3K. I don't know. It's like really good quality, so I'm really happy with that. So we've just completed setup. There you go.